Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I'm upgrading this Porsche Macan air filter to a BMC air filter. Pretty high flow, colder air, all that stuff. So this one here, just want to show you. This is the normal one. It's a Porsche Macan 2-liter turbo. That's the actual part number of the air filter if you're looking for it. But if you want to fit a BMC filter, this is the actual BMC filter. And this is the actual part number. This is the box it comes with, and the part number is this one here, FB867/04. That's the number you want to quote when you want to buy one of those. That's for all the Macan with this kind of filter. You can have that done. So we're doing that at the same time. We're doing exhaust tips. Put a better exhaust tips. This is the original one, and then we're going to put a tune file into this car here. Alright, I'm going to fit this back to the car and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.